Beautiful Z1 or Z9, not sure which one it is. Twin disc, I imagine it's a Z900, not the Z1. I think it's Z1 just had a single disc. Beautiful original paint. Stunning, stunning machine. Absolutely stunning. Original 4 pipes. Beautiful tailpiece these old bikes have. Pure style. Beautiful that 4-part motor. Exhaust, I'd say these aftermarket copies, but twin disc very unusual. Perhaps that's an extra which you could fit on it. But all the original indicators, original stuff, 30 grand. 30,000 pounds, nothing. Original grips, everything. Stunning, stunning bike. Old Visa A65, I should think. Just looking around here, you know, you look at all the Indians and all the old bikes. It's absolute. If you like bikes, this is amazing. Nortons, Triumphs, Finnys. See the shocks on that thing? Damper shocks on that. No, I'm not sure which one it is. 500 or something, I presume. You are, mate. Sorry. Just beautiful, isn't it?